Welcome to the Yes or No English channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking. Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hey everyone, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to change something in your life, but you gave up because the change was too big?
Oh, yes. I once tried to wake up at 5 a.m. every day. I failed on the very first morning.
Same here. Big changes are hard, but small changes, those are easy. And that is our topic today.
I love this topic. This is English learning through easy story, like a friendly chat, not a serious class.
Exactly. No pressure, just real life. Learn English through daily usage with fun through Yes or No English podcast.
Today, we have some useful words for you. Listen for them in our story.
Let's begin with a story about my friend Alex. He wanted to get fit, but he was very lazy.
My friend Alex wanted to become healthy. He was tired all the time. He could not climb stairs without breathing heavily. One day, he decided to join a gym. He paid for a full year, 3,000 rupees. He was so excited. The first day, he went to the gym. He ran on the treadmill for 10 minutes. He lifted some weights. The next morning, his whole body was in pain. He could not lift his arms. He could not sit down without pain. He told me, "I cannot do this. The gym is too hard." I said, "Then do not go to the gym. Do something smaller." Alex looked at me like I was crazy. He said, "But I already paid 3,000 rupees." I said, "That money is gone. Do not worry about it. Start smaller." So Alex started walking. Just 10 minutes every day. That was his one small step. He walked around his building. 10 minutes, no more. The next week, he walked for 15 minutes. The week after, 20 minutes. After 1 month, Alex could walk for 1 hour without stopping. He felt better. His sleep improved. His mood improved. Then he started doing 5 push-ups every morning. Just 5. That was his new small step. After 2 weeks, he could do 15 push-ups. After 3 months, Alex had lost 8 kilograms. He did not go to the gym. He did not run on a painful treadmill. He just took 1 small step every day. Now Alex laughs about his 3,000 rupees. He says, "I learned something important. Big changes fail. Small steps win." He's right. You do not need to change everything in one day. Just take 1 small step, then another, then another. One day you will look back and see how far you have come. Now let's practice speaking together. Shadowing is a powerful way to improve your English speaking skills. Let's speak together and follow after me.
We will say each sentence 2 times together. Listen carefully and repeat out loud.
I take 1 small step every day.
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 Small changes are easier to keep.
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 I walk for 10 minutes daily.
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 Big goals need small habits.
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 I do not need to be perfect today.
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 Yesterday, I walked for only 5 minutes.
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 5 minutes is better than 0 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 minutes.
My body hurt after the first day at the gym.
My body hurt after the first day at the gym.
My body hurt after the first day at the gym.
My body hurt after the first day at the gym.
I stopped trying to do everything at once.
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 One small step today leads to big results tomorrow.
One small step today leads to big results tomorrow.
One small step today leads to big results tomorrow.
One small step today leads to big results tomorrow.
I looked back and saw how far I had come.
I looked back and saw how far I had come.
I looked back and saw how far I had come.
I looked back and saw how far I had come.
You do not need to change everything in one single day.
You do not need to change everything in one single day.
You do not need to change everything in one single day.
You do not need to change everything in one single day.
Great job today, everyone. You practiced so well.
Remember Alex's story. He wanted to get fit. He failed at the gym, but he did not give up. He started walking. Just 10 minutes, one small step every day.
That is the secret. Do not try to climb the whole mountain in one day. Just take one step, then another, then another.
Keep practicing. Keep taking small steps. You are doing amazing.
Subscribe to Yes or No English channel for more videos.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Take care, and remember, one small step every day.